Hi students, today we are going to look at Unit 6 Information Processing of second standard term 1 Mathematics. Okay, right. Systematic listing is first. See the keywords systematic list, pair, way. Okay, travel through. Arun wants to reach the school from his house. Okay, one way is shown for you. List down all other possible ways. Okay, Arun wants to go to school from his house. We do. Okay. Varu, Vali, Iduda. Okay. We have to find other ways also. See, this one is one other way, second way, and this one is third way. There are only three ways possible. Okay, let's draw the ways here like this. Okay. Iduda, please no. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. From here the way is same. From here again the way is same. There are only three, not three, four ways possible. One more way is this. Where is that? Okay, up to here. Thereafter, oh no, thereafter, like this. Okay, this is another way. So there are four ways. One is this. இரண்டாவது மூணாவது நாலாவது. Okay, this is fourth. Okay. Possible ways of pairing. Let us learn the number of ways of dressing oneself with two shirts and two shorts. ரெண்டு ஷர்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, இரண்டு ஷார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. Okay, how many ways possible? 2 into 2, 4. Green and blue. Okay, top green, short blue. Shirt this color, short blue. Okay, again shirt green color, short red. Shirt the other color and short red. There are only four possible combinations, right? Okay, find all possible ways of arranging a pair of cups among the four cups. Okay, pair of cups among the four cups. One way, the other way, like this. Again, you can do again two pairs from here. So four, and again use these two, you will get two. Use these two, you will get two. Use these two, you will get two. How many combinations? 4, 2, 2, 2, 6 combination. Again use these two. 6 plus 2, 8. Use these two. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, then use these two. 12. There are 12 possible combinations, right? Satya has a pencil, a blue pen, and a black pen. Pencil, yeah, blue pen, black pen. She likes to gift out these three things to her friend. Find all the possible ways to place them in the gift box. Two out of them. Okay. One, sec, two, three. Okay. Only three combinations are possible. Okay. Coming to the selection of two numbers. Let us see the possible ways of keeping four custard apples in two baskets. Okay. Way 1, keep 0 here, 4 here. Way 2, 1 here, 3 here. Way 3, 2 here, 2 here. Way 4, 3 here, 1 here. Way 5, 4 here, 0 here. So there are only 5 combinations. Okay. There are two parts, one with 10 red roses and another with 5 yellow roses in the garden. List out all the possible ways of choosing 10 flowers from the pots. Okay, what is way 1? 10 0. Way 2? 9 1. Way 3? 8 2. Way 4? 7 3. Way 5? 6 4. Way 5? 5 5. Okay. Collection of data. Collection of data through measurement. Abhishek and his father visit a toy shop. His father promises to buy him a toy if he answers the questions correctly. Can you help him? Okay, let's see. To find the answer, Abhishek groups the toys as shown below. Okay, these, and these. Speak out. Which toy is most in number? This toy. Baby doll. How many is that item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Which toy is found to be least in the shop? This one. Duck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Yes. Can you place the rocket and lorry toys in the same shelf? Discuss. Rocket and lorry. Can you place them on the same truck? Same shelf? Discuss. Mhm. Keeping lorry here. If you keep rocket on top of a lorry, there is small amount of place left here. I think you can keep if the lorry is big enough to place the rocket. Okay, in vertical position. Observe the height of the tree is given the picture. Write the answers. Okay, this is 6 meter. This is 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter. Banana tree 3 meters. Palm tree 6 meters. Mango tree 4 meters. Coconut tree 5 meters. What is the height in meters of the following trees? Banana 3. This is 6. Mango, mango 4. Mango 4, mango 4, mango 4, mango 4, mango 4. Okay. What about this? 5 meter? Yes, 5 meter. Coconut tree 5 meter. Which is the tallest tree? Palm tree. Which is the shortest tree? Banana tree. Name the tree which is 4 meters tall. Palm tree. Name the tree whose height between 4 and 6. Coconut tree. Children group themselves to take part in 3 different games: running race, walking race, frog race. Observe the above picture and answer the following question. How many students like to take part in walking race? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. How many boys, how many girls? 1, 2 boys, 2 boys, 4 girls. Okay. How many students like to take part in frog race? 3, 6, 2, 8. Okay. How many boys? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys, 4 girls. Okay. How many students like to take part in running race? 4, 4, 8. 8, 4, 12, 13. How many boys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boys, 7 girls. Okay. Which game is played with maximum number of children? Or that is running race. Running race. How many girls are there in both walking race and frog race? Walking race, the girls are 4. Frog race, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8. Okay. Which game is played by minimum number of children? Walking race. How many students play the game walking race and running race in total? This is 13. This is 6, 19. Okay. That's it, guys. The last unit, the last chapter is over. Okay. We'll meet with the second term lessons in the next session. Okay. Nandri, Vanakkam. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.